Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Articles. Many English learners make mistakes using the articles a, an, and the. For example, it's wrong to say, he is the honest man. The correct sentence is he is an honest man, because honest starts with a vowel sound. In this lesson, we'll learn when and how to use articles correctly. Let's review the basic rules. Use they before consonant sounds, like the boy or the car. Use and before vowel sounds, like an apple or an hour, where the H is silent. Use the when talking about something specific, like the sun or the book on the table. Notice it's about sound, not just the first letter. Here are some common mistakes with articles. She is an honest woman is incorrect, it should be an honest woman. An university book is wrong because a university starts with a U sound, so it should be a university. And finally, I saw a moon is incorrect, because there's only one moon, and we're talking about a specific thing, so it should be the moon. Let's look at some special cases. We say, a European country, because it starts with a U sound. We say an MBA, because it starts with an M sound. Use the with unique things like the earth or the sky. Sometimes, no article is needed, for example, I go to school every day. But when we talk about a specific place or purpose, we use that it like the parents visited the school. Let's practice. Number 1, he is honest man. The answer is an. Number 2, she is studying at university. It's a university. Number 3, I saw sunrise today. The correct answer is the sun. Number 4, they visited Eiffel Tower. That's the Eiffel Tower. Great work! Let's recap. Use a or an with singular nouns when the noun is not specific. Use the when the noun is known or specific. Pay attention to the sound of the word, that helps you choose between a and an. And remember, there are special rules with certain words, so practice is important. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.